Howdy folks, back with another lesson. In this tutorial, I'm going over the Nashville number system, the absolute easiest way that I can explain it. And I'm going to use the circle of fifths, which you see on your screen here. You can download the circle of fifths from my website if you are so inclined. I know it's kind of hard to find like a legitimate circle of fifths that you don't have to screenshot and use, or at least it is for me. And we're going over today, You Are My Sunshine, for two reasons. A, because I hopefully won't get a copyright strike, and B, because hopefully you guys know this song and it's an easy one to help us understand the circle of fifths. So let's play this song in several different keys today, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. And you'll be able to change a key of a song if you can't sing it or for whatever reason. And we'll start today playing this in the key of D. All right, so we're going to find the D on the circle of fifths, which is right here. And what do these numbers mean? Well, the simplest way I'm going to explain it is that wherever you start, in this case the D chord, that is the one chord, all right? If we were starting this on the G, we would be right here, okay? But in this case, we're just right here on that D chord, that is our one chord, okay? Now, on the circle of fifths, the chord directly, or the letter, directly to the left is always going to be your four chord. In that case, this case is the G chord, all right? With me so far. And then the number to the right is always going to be the 5 chord, all right? In which case it is an A major chord, all right? So that's a very quick explanation of the circle of fifths. Now let's just kind of strum through these chords and I'll show you how it works, all right? So, da na 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 na, we're right here. Now we go to the 4. Back to the 1. That's the first line. All right, super simple. 2 chords. Hey folks, real quick, on this channel, I am all about expressing creativity through music and really putting music back in focus as the world becomes even crazier and crazier each day. So that being said, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Spread the word of good bluegrass, country music, music that makes you feel good in the soul. Thanks so much, guys. Back to the video. Okay, now for the second line, it starts on the 4, so we're going to begin on the, you guessed it, the G chord, all right? And this line at the end of this line just means that we're going to have 2 chords kind of within the same measure. Real simple, all right? So, you'll never know, na, 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 to the 1, na, 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 and then to the 5 quick, na, 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 na. All right, that is basically it. You have your 1 here, your 4 here, and your 5 here, and if you follow this chord chart with the Nashville number system, you can play in any key, all right? So let's say, for example, we want to play this, I don't know, in the key of C, all right? So our circle of fifths up here, there is our C. Our 1 chord is going to be our C. Our 4 chord will be our F, and our 5 chord will be a G, all right? Now, knowing what we just learned, let's play this in the key of C, all right? So it'll go like this. To the F, back to the 1, C. To the 5, which is the G. Back to the 1. Now you've played You Are My Sunshine in the key of C. The verse and the chorus are the same. And very quickly, just because we can, just because it's this easy, let's go ahead and play this in the key of E. All right, so we start in our E major. The 4 is an A. Back to the 1, which is the E. And our 5 is going to be our B. All right. If you have any questions about that, let me know. I thought I'd start off simple with this tutorial. It does get more complicated than this, but for like bluegrass and country, if you don't want it to get more complicated, it doesn't have to get that much more complicated. All right, guys, again, there is a free download of this circle of fifths on my website. There's also some links to elixir strings if you want to help support the channel. But until next time, adios.